Anyways, take a look at this out right here.
Don't care. Okay, so this is an actual question from an O-level paper 2024, A-Maths paper. A solid cuboid has a square base of side 2 plus square root 2 cm. The volume of the cuboid is 14 plus 8 square root 2 cm cube. Express the total surface area of the cuboid in the form A plus B square root 2 cm square, where A and B are constants. I would firstly draw that cuboid out so that I have a better picture of what I'm doing here. And then we know that it has a square base, right? So the square base and the square top will be of the same dimensions. That will be 2 plus square root 2 cm. The entire volume of the cuboid is 14 plus 8 square root 2. So we're going to first find the area of that square base. So that area of the square base will be 2 plus square root 2 times 2 plus square root 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times square root 2 is 2 square root 2. So I will get 4 square root 2 here plus 2. So this is the area of the square base. 6 plus 4 square root 2. Now, to find this height over here, we have to take the volume divided by the area of the square base. Now, the volume we know, divide that by the base, the area of the base. Now, here we can do what is called rationalizing the denominator. We multiply it by the conjugate set. So 6 minus 4 square root 2 over 6 minus 4 square root 2. Now, when you have a plus b, a minus b, you get a square minus b square. Remember your identity. So this will give me 36 minus 4 times 4 is 16. Square root 2 times square root 2 will be 2. So 16 times 2 is 32. Okay? So we work this out. We get 14 times 6, 84. 14 times 4 is 56 plus 48 square root 2 minus 32 square root 2 over 32 minus 36 will give me 4. Okay, again, this is just for us to find the height of the cuboid. So when we combine this together, what do we get? Okay, so we have minus 56 plus 48 minus 32. That's minus 40. So this is 84 minus 40 square root 2 over 4. Now you can divide the top and the bottom. 84 divided by 4 will actually give me 21 minus 10 square root 2, because 40 divided by 4 is 10. So this is actually the height of the cuboid. So the total surface area of the cuboid will be, you have 6 sides here. Okay, so this one we have to times 2. This one we have to multiply with 2 square root 2. So I'm going to take 21 minus 10 square root 2, multiply this with 2 plus square root 2. 2 times 21 is 42. Minus 20 square root 2 plus 21 square root 2 minus 10 times 2, 20. So this will actually give me 22 plus square root 2. Actually, this one I have to multiply by 4. And this one I have to multiply by 2, and I have to add the two of them together. So 22 plus square root 2 times 4 will give me 88 plus 4 square root 2 plus 12 plus 8 square root 2. So this will give me a grand total of 100 plus 12 square root 2 cm square. And that's your answer.